up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Cheese. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing haul on. I need some lip gloss because, child, these lips is chapped. Okay, any type of videos, I don't want y'all to worry about my hair. That's why I come on here because I don't really want y'all worried about my hair. I want y'all worried about what we need to be worried about, which is this box. So I ordered a bag from Coach, and it's here. I ordered it for Labor Day. Dang. But yeah, I ordered it for Labor Day. Okay, wait a minute. Why is it all warts and stuff? Child, this done been through trials and tribulations. Okay, so the box is open. And this is my bag. Mass destruction over there. I'm gonna have to, the cleanup gonna be real. Anyways, this is the star of the show. So like I said, Coach had a sale, a Labor Day sale. All right, come on. All these papers. So this is what the bag looks like. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Okay. We gonna do all this. Take all this stuff off. All this paper. Boom. Take that off. Cut this off. Ooh. Okay. And boom, 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 boom. Take all the paper off. That off. Yeah, I'm real tedious about paper being on my bed. I don't like paper on my bed. Okay, so this is the bag. It's really, really cute. It has magnetic things like that for you to close it, and it's just real, real cute. Okay, it's just a tote. So what I have been carrying is this, and I have a lot of stuff that's not necessary in this bag, so I'm going to, oh, hold on, can this fit my iPad? It fits my iPad. Oh yes ma'am. So this is gonna be my new airport bag as well, because I had went to the airport and I used my it was a Michael Kors little barrel bag, and it didn't give what it had needed to have gave for the airport, not for the airport. So it has Coach in the inside. I think this is reversible. I'm never finna reverse it, so yeah, y'all ain't never gotta worry about that. But yeah, so we just finna fill this up. So first things first, my keys. The next thing, oh okay, so this is the wallet that matches the bag, matching. Matching wallets. I've been using this wallet. I got this wallet first, so we're gonna put that in there. Lip gloss is a must. Gum, my inhaler, really need that. My contact case, honey pot wipes. Okay, if you don't have honey pot wipes, if I haven't put you on a honey pot wipes, you need these. Okay, I don't use tissue, especially when I'm out in public. Ain't nobody finna use no public bathroom tissue. Like, get you some honey pot wipes, girl. Sanitizer. Let me see. Okay, hand food, hand cream. How heavy is that? Wow, it feels lightweight. Let me see what else I want to put in this bag. My AirPods. Love you. I've been carrying deodorant in my bag because it's hot, and if I'm out, I do reapply. So like, I'll reapply. I'll take a wipe and then wipe off the deodorant, and then I'll reapply it, especially if I'm out and about. Y'all, it's hot in California, don't judge me, but I do need to get a travel size one. But yeah, I got deodorant. I carry deodorant in my bag, especially when it's hot as hell outside, blazing 90 degrees, and I live in California. You got me fucked up. Anyways, masks. I love carrying. Well, masks are a necessity. I don't love carrying them, but that's a necessity. I'm not gonna put nail glue in here because I don't have nails on, so I don't really need the nail glue. And yeah, everything else is just miscellaneous. I guess I could put my pen in there. Hold on, can I put stuff in the pouch? Okay, so I'm gonna put my gum in the pouch. My lip gloss gonna go in the pouch. It's so roomy, and it feels lightweight. Like, it's real light. Okay. I don't use bag organizers. I just feel like, what's really the purpose? You feel me? A bag organizer. But yeah, that's all I'm finna put in this bag. But yeah, this is the bag that I have been carrying. It's the it's by Black owned company, Black woman owned. Love this bag. Definitely held up for what it needed to do, but I want a more neutral bag, you know. Like, for the outfit I had on, this bag was cute, but I want a more neutral bag, especially if I'm wearing black or if I'm wearing brown, because that's typically what I be wearing. That's what I be having on. So yeah, this is going, and it feels lightweight. Like, I did not want to pack this bag to capacity, because if I do that, I'm just gonna have like 10 pounds on my shoulder, and don't nobody want that. This bag can definitely fit my iPad perfectly as well, and it's still lightweight. Like, it doesn't feel heavy. You feel me? So I will definitely be packing this, especially when I go to the airport. This is gonna be my airport bag too. Like, if I gotta go to the airport, this gonna be my bag, because I can fit everything in here, and I don't have to. I could put food in here. I could put, you know, snacks, a little drink in here. Because when I go to the airport, I like to have my iPad so I can watch my movies. I like to have me a little drink, and I like to have me a nice little snack. That way, when I'm on the airplane, I could just eat. You feel me? Like, what? Eat and snack when you watching your movies. Come on now. But yeah, this definitely fits my iPad. This is a cute bag. I don't like watching those unboxings where women don't show their face. I feel like that's kind of weird. Like, imagine me talking like this. Oh, hey, yeah, this bag is cute. It has this, and it has that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't like that. I like to be in the frame, in the camera. I want to know who I'm talking to when I'm watching your shit. You understand? But yeah, this bag is definitely cute, honey. I really like this. Let's see how it fit on my shoulder. Okay, decent size. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Decent size. Okay, cool. And I'm sure it will shape when I wear it, and when it's sitting down. I'm sure it was in the box all warped up and stuff. So yeah, I'm kind of mad this bag don't have no feet. I'm used to carrying my Michael Kors bag, and my Michael Kors bag had feet, so I'm kind of mad about that. Like, why doesn't it have feet? Okay, I guess. But yeah, overall this is a really, really cute bag. So definitely. And I like this. This is cute. Oh, where's my little... Hold on. It's on my keys. I just like to put this on to, you know, add some. I should get a brown one. Yeah, I'm gonna look on Amazon today and get a brown one. But yeah, so that is the bag. It's really, really cute, really open space. I'm not gonna pack this to capacity like I said, but it can get there if it need to get there. You understand what I'm saying? You can put some snacks in here. You can put your iPad in here, water, especially if you get on a plane. Yeah, but I like it. Really, really nice, really, really cute. And yeah, definitely had the matching wallet to match. Like I said, matching wallet. Boom, boom. It's a wristlet, I believe, but fits all your cards, all your important paperwork, like my COVID card and things like that. It fits that, and I really like. That's why I got this one, because it fits my COVID card, and you just never know when you're gonna need your COVID card. So I got that. I am vaccinated. Don't give me no bullshit about it. If you're not vaccinated, that's fine. That's your personal decision. But I'm nice and vaccinated over here this way, and yeah. But yeah, all my stuff is in here, all my personal information. So yeah, boom. Yes. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you have. This is the Coach City Totes, and then I had a wristlet here. I think it's just called a Coach wristlet. I'm not sure. But yeah, I am about to make tacos. Today is Taco Tuesday, so I am about to make some tacos and relax, put my little scarf on, watch me a little movie or two, and yeah, so I will see y'all in my next video. I'm enjoying my bag. I cannot wait to take it out. I can't wait. Now I just got the original print. There was a floral one, but I was like, that's kind of like summery, springy, and I want to use this bag in the fall. You feel me? Like, I want to use this bag in the fall. All them colors, they can go in for the spring collection. That's why it's called the spring collection, you understand? But I wanted a more of a darker, you know, bag that I could wear with everything. And I can wear this bag pretty much with everything. Like, I could wear this bag out now with everything, you know? So yeah, it's real nice. I love it. I just love it. Not too big, and I just love this bag. So yeah, let me go make my tacos, y'all. I'm hungry. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.